Matcha tea makes the best pre-workout. If properly used before a workout, matcha can have many benefits when it comes to energy and recovery. In this video, we're going to shift our focus to using matcha before a workout and what benefits that can provide. We'll also take a look at how matcha pre-workout compares to traditional supplements and what advantages it has. Let's get started. So when we talk about a matcha pre-workout, we're essentially talking about drinking matcha tea before a workout to keep you energized and focused. There are many benefits to using matcha as a pre-workout, which we'll discuss in further detail later. For now, let's focus on the basics. Matcha is essentially a powdered green tea, but in order to be considered high quality, it needs to be made from special tea leaves. These leaves are shaded before the harvest to improve their sweetness, they have their stems removed, and they're carefully ground into a fine powder in a large stone mill. Matcha is very high in caffeine, antioxidants, and amino acids, making matcha pre-workout a great choice. So there are many different aspects of matcha that make it great for improving energy and focus during workouts. It has a lot less side effects when compared to synthetic pre-workouts. Let's go through a list of benefits that come from using a more natural matcha pre-workout. So first we have the boost in energy. Matcha contains caffeine, which can provide a natural and sustained boost in energy levels. Unlike coffee, matcha also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calmness and reduces the jitters often associated with caffeine, creating a more balanced energy effect. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in matcha can contribute to improved cognitive function, including enhanced focus and alertness. This mental clarity can be particularly beneficial when approaching a workout session. Matcha may also increase your metabolic rate. The catechins in matcha, which are a type of antioxidant, have been associated with a potential increase in metabolic rate. This could lead to a higher calorie burn during exercise, and it supports weight management goals. Matcha may also help reduce oxidative stress. The high levels of antioxidants, including catechins and epigallocatechin gallate, can help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which is especially important during these intense physical activities. Matcha can also hydrate you if you drink it during a workout. What makes matcha so special is that it can actually hydrate the body, which sets it apart from other caffeinated drinks and pre-workouts, which can actually have a dehydrating effect. The antioxidants in matcha may also help reduce muscle soreness and help aid in recovery. This is something you might usually get in a post-workout, so matcha pre-workout can actually serve a dual function. Finally, when you drink matcha as a pre-workout, you get a naturally sugar-free alternative. A lot of pre-workout drinks on the market are loaded with sugars and artificial flavors. A high-quality matcha is naturally smooth, so it tastes good on its own. Instead of just choking it down, you can really take your time and enjoy a delicious bowl of matcha tea before you head out to the gym. So what are some side effects of using matcha as a pre-workout? Actually, there really aren't that many. Matcha is simply made by grinding up tea leaves, so it's a lot more natural than a lot of the pre-workouts you find that are produced in labs. The one thing you do want to watch out for is the caffeine content. Each gram of premium, ceremonial-grade matcha can contain 34 milligrams of caffeine, and you should not exceed over 300 to 400 milligrams per day. So if you want to try matcha as a pre-workout, it's as easy as picking up some matcha powder online, like the Matcha Washimine. After traveling around Japan for the past few years, we've met with dozens of tea farmers and sampled hundreds of different matcha teas. We've selected a small handful of our favorites, and we're so excited to share them with all of you, with free shipping worldwide. These premium ceremonial-grade matcha teas are produced through a long and labor-intensive production process in order for them to achieve the optimal flavor. As a result, these are smooth enough to drink plain, so you don't need to add anything to them. On the other hand, if you like a nice pre-workout smoothie or latte before heading out to the gym, you may want to pick up a latte matcha powder. This matcha is much more affordable, and it's perfect for using in recipes like smoothies or lattes. So to prepare the matcha tea before you head out to the gym, it couldn't be easier. Just add 2 grams of matcha powder to the bowl, add in 100 milliliters of water, and whisk it up until it starts to foam. This green foam on top of the matcha is not just for looks. It also creates an airier consistency in the tea and a smoother flavor. If you master the matcha making technique, you should be able to get the perfect foam every time. If you really want to make the best bowl of matcha pre-workout, you might want to invest in a bamboo matcha whisk. This is the best tool for whisking up those beautiful bowls of matcha tea. If you really want to fit in at the gym, you can make your matcha pre-workout in a blender bottle. Just put a teaspoon of matcha powder into the bottle, add in some water, and shake it up. You'll find that these shaker bottles can also produce a nice foam on the matcha, and it can taste great. So matcha is a healthier alternative to a lot of other supplements you might take before your workout. You might find that it gives you the energy and the recovery that you need without all the extra side effects. Another big benefit is that it tastes great. A lot of matcha lovers start using matcha as a pre-workout, and they end up continuing to drink it because they like the taste so much. Try it out for yourself and let us know how you like it. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about green tea, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe so you can see more like it in the future. Until then, we'll see you next time.